Hi everyone, see you again. Welcome again to Imran Amami channel. With me Imran here. Today I would like to discuss cash flow forecasting for pipeline work as seen on the screen here. Okay, but before we discuss it more further, I would like to inform you the condition, the project condition in this project cash flow template. Okay, the project duration is 6 months. Total work volume in the IN is 23,413, and total work volume in join is 3,852.84. The total contract price is 4,500,000,000 rupees. Direct material supply by client. Any subcontracting for direct works with the total number is 1,900,000,000 rupees. Currency is in Indonesian rupees. Any bank loan for supporting the project financial with a total number 975 million rupees. Okay, also the project month in this project cash flow template is starting from August 2008. Okay, starting from August 2008 and shall be complete on coming February 2009. This is for demobilization activities and completion of administration process in the end of this project. Okay, also I would like to inform you the number allocating in this project cash flow templates. Okay, besides it's coming from the project cash flow template itself, but supporting also with the other spreadsheet file or the other Excel file to support or to make it easier for you in allocating each project cost item. Okay, now in the project cash flow template, this consists of 4 worksheets. Okay, starting from cash flow condition, and the second one is any project cash flow and any project cost classification and any progress plan here. Okay, any progress plan here. Okay, and this is the other project or the other spreadsheet file that I mentioned. Okay, as seen on the screen here, any project cost estimating and budgeting. Yes, this is running project budget. Okay, this is consists of 6 worksheet. Yes, 6 worksheet. Yes, starting from summary and any cost breakdown, any direct manpower schedule and its cost calculation, any construction equipment schedule and its cost calculation. Okay, any non-destructive evaluation or NDE and its film, and last one is any indirect manpower schedule and its cost. Okay, and the other spreadsheet file. Yes, the other spreadsheet files. Okay, any subcontracting quotation prices. Yes, quotation prices. Any subcontracting quotation template. Okay, this is consists of 4 worksheets starting from quotation summary of quotation prices. Yes, okay, and the total is 1,900,000,000 rupees, and second one is any indirect cost breakdown that consists of 3 worksheets. This is the part 1 and this is the second one. Yes, this is the second part of indirect cost breakdown, and this is the last one. Yes, for indirect cost breakdown and any for indirect cost breakdown. I mean, there is 3 part of indirect cost breakdown, and the last one is any direct cost breakdown. Okay, let we discuss it in more detail. Okay, now your progress billing here, and the progress payment shall be received 2 months after. Yes, this is due to administration process. Okay, this is same with the others. For the second progress for the second progress billing, you shall be received 2 months after. Okay, this one for the second progress billing, and this is the first progress payment for the first progress billing. Yes, and same to the others. Yes, to the others progress billing. Yes, to the others progress billing, and to the others progress payment here. Okay, for each progress billing, the progress payment shall be received 2 months after. Okay, and this is any retention money. Okay, retention money should be repayment in the end of the project state. Yes, so the project cost item shall be allocated in the end of this project state. Yes, okay, and you should be allocate here. Yes, should be allocate here. Okay, and there is no for additional work, and this is bank loan. Yes, bank loan here. Okay, actually you should allocate the bank loan here. Yes, this is when you finish arrange all cash out in this project cash flow templates. After that, you could allocate the properly, yes, the suitable bank loans, yes, for when you find any minus in the project operational costs. Okay, so better we did this bank loan to show you how to allocate these bank loans, this bank loan project cost item. Okay, then we discuss how to run cash out in this project cash flow template. Now we discuss project cash out section here. In this project cash out section, any direct cost here, any indirect cost, any financing cost, and any bank loans here. Okay, now in the direct cost, any direct material, permanent material by client, consumable by subcontractor, direct labor by subcontractor, direct equipment here, and any fuel cost here, any tool including working tool here, and safety apparatus. In the indirect cost, any mobilization and demobilization, any home office, any maintenance, any salary and allowance, any temporary facility construction, any temporary material, any site expense, any subcontracting, including direct service, any insurance and revenue tax. In the financing cost, any corporate tax, any in the bank loan section, any loan installment, any provision fee, any notary fee, any commitment fee, any bank interest. Provision fee 0.5% here, notary fee 0.75% here, commitment fee 0.75 here, and bank interest is 12.5% here. Okay, now we discuss direct cost here, the number in the direct cost here. So now we discuss direct cost in the cash out section. Because of direct permanent material supplied by client, consumable and direct labor supplied by subcontractor, so we discuss direct equipment, fuel, working tool, and safety apparatus here. Okay, so for direct equipment, fuel, working tool, safety apparatus, you should allocate for 6 months as per project schedule here. Okay, starting from August 2008 and shall be complete on January 2009 here. So I just inform you information inside the cell for the first project cost item only, because the other will take and will use the same worksheet and the same Excel file with different cells here. Okay, for the first cost allocating for direct equipment here, any information in these numbers, taking from project cost classification worksheet multiplied by project running budget Excel in the worksheet equipment schedule, and it costs in the cell G34 here. So, okay, let me check. Project cost classification is cell G14 here. This is cell G14. This is G column, and this is row 14 here. So the other Excel file here, this is project running budget, and this is worksheet construction equipment schedule and its cost calculation, and this is cell G, and this is row 34. This is cell G34 here. Okay, so back again to the project cash flow here, and this is for the others cost for direct equipment here. You could check inside the cell. Okay, using the same worksheet, the same Excel file with different cell. Okay, for the fuel, the same also. I just take the first project cost item, because the first project cost item for fuel, because the other will use and will take the same worksheet and the same Excel file with different cell. Okay, this is the first cost for fuel. Yes, for fuel, any information cell inside the cell. This number taking from project cost classification worksheet in the cell G15 multiplied by project running budget Excel in the cell equipment schedule and its cost calculation in the cell G. Means any two sections here, first mobilization and the second was the mobilization activities, and you should allocate in the first month of this project schedule, and for the mobilization, okay, you should allocate in the end of this project schedule here. Okay, and now for home office cost, you should allocate 4 sick months. Yes, 4 sick month ahead, 1 2 3 4 5 6 here, and then for same also for maintenance cost, you should allocate 4 sick month ahead, 1 2 3 4 5 6 here, and then for salary and allowance. Okay, there is any 1 month additional, so I mean you should allocate in the 7 month ahead here. 1 month additional means for indirect personnel, the standby to complete all outstanding items, including final account, project close out, and other outstanding work items in the end of this project. Okay, and then for temporary facility construction cost here, you should allocate 6 months. Yes, you should allocate 6 months. Okay, and then for Side expense, you should allocate uh, 7 months, yes, 7 months. This is follow to salary and allowance, okay. And for direct and service, you should allocate, for subcontracting here. This is shall be referred to the put to the subcontractor invoices, okay. That shall be allocated in the second month, in the fourth month here, and in the fifth month, in the sixth month, seventh month, eighth month, 9 month, and 10 month here, okay. 9 months here. And for direct and service, yes, direct and service, you should allocate 6 months here, yes. And this is same also for insurance and revenue tax here, okay. Now we should discuss information inside itself for each project cost item in this indirect cost section. Okay, we check cost for mobilization and demobilization here, okay. Any information that project cost taking from project cost classification worksheet in the cell L25 divided by 2, one for mobilization and the second one for demobilization here, okay. Let me find the cell, okay. Okay, this is a project different cell, okay. This is for third month and this is for fourth month, this is for for fifth month, and this is for sixth month, okay. Let me check the other one. And this is salary and allowance, okay. This project cost taking from project cost classification worksheet in a cell G40 and multiplied by project running budget Excel file in the indirect manpower schedule and it cost calculation worksheet in the cell G38 here, G40 and G38 here, okay. This is temporary You just take down and find out. Okay, this is NSL V97 here. Okay, and this is column V. You just find the row 97. Okay, this is row 97. Okay, okay, let me check the other one. Okay, row, this is any referenceable key 97 here. This is any reference cell R97 here, S97 here, T97, U97, but multiplied by percentage, divided by 2. This is in this section 60%, and this is the remaining percentage 40. Yes, but using the cell U97. Okay, let me check the other one. Yes, 320 million here. Okay, let's check again. Okay, yes, there is no minus in your operational cost, but the next you find minus again. Okay, with a total 31,372,305 rupees. Okay, for covering this minus plus reserve cash for the next operational, let's say you will cover with the bank loan with a total 50 million rupees. Okay, this one. Okay, let's check. Okay, yes, there is no minus anymore. Okay, there is no minus anymore. There is no minus anymore, and you will check your operational costs and check the time to pay your loan installment. Okay, when you find any good balance in your operational cost, that is the time for you to pay your loan installment. Okay, like this one, you should pay your loan installment in the month in the project month January 2009 here, and this for the second loan installment in the project month February 2009 here. Okay, and you find accumulative balance for your projects, for your pipeline projects, with a total 805,069,383. Okay, that's all my explanation. Yes, relate to cash flow forecasting for pipeline works. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I was wondering if you would able to like, comment and subscribe to my videos. And again, thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.